Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to take screenshot, you just have to open the screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down at the same time. You can find your screenshots if you go to gallery, and here in the screenshot section you can find our screenshots, and from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.